Yo, what's going on, team? This your bro, your coach, your mentor, Crypto Cliff here. Jumping on early now. I'm already up $7,900 for the day. I've been up since 3 o'clock in the morning. This morning, trading. This is my normal routine. A lot of people see the glam, they see the glitz, but most people don't see what actually goes on in the background. Most people don't see what your daily habits actually do, or what your daily habits actually show, because your daily habits are what help you produce income, what help you produce wealth. So this morning, I got up in my normal fit. You see, I'm still in my robe. I'm still in my robe. I'm usually in my room. I'm usually trading in my bed. I'm trading on my desk where I am right now, or I'm teaching. So I want to show you guys how I actually find plays. So this is one of the things I want to show you. This is Bitcoin's chart right now. I'm looking at it on an hourly chart. Now, a lot of people see this and they get confused. All right. And truthfully, it is kind of confusing at first. But the entire crypto market runs on the trajectory of Bitcoin. Most of the cryptocurrencies run on the trajectory of Bitcoin, whether it's in a spot market, which means you're buying and selling crypto. Like for instance, when you are Coinbase, you're trading spot. If you buy and sell on Coinbase, you actually own that cryptocurrency asset. You hold that cryptocurrency asset. That's completely different from futures. So for instance, if you were to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase right now, you own that Bitcoin. You can control that Bitcoin. You can monitor that Bitcoin. You can sell that Bitcoin back for fiat currency, right? So, but in order for you to make a profit, you have to buy, or the price point of Bitcoin has to go above your buying price. So let's say you bought Bitcoin at 84,000. Bitcoin has to go above that 84,000 price in order for you to make a profit. If it goes below that price, you're automatically in the red. You see, with crypto futures, you're not actually owning that asset. You use a stable coin like USDT that to ride the price action movement of that cryptocurrency asset, which means that I can bet for the market. I can say, okay, Bitcoin is going up. I can look at this and chart it and see Bitcoin going up, and I can make money as the market rises if I go long. Or I can bet against the market and say Bitcoin is shorting right now and make money as Bitcoin falls. That's the main difference. That's how I'm helping retire people right now. 163 people have been retired through my coaching, through my mentorship, by way of learning this market. And I want to show you a couple things today. So this is the chart on Bitcoin right now. This is a bunch of different indicators, right? And this is a collection of indicators that I put together myself that helps my students see a full view, a full spectrum into the market to make a sound decision on whether they should get into this trade or not. So Bitcoin right now is actually trending downward. You can tell because if I tell you, this is just plain knowledge. If you're a complete beginner, if I was to say what's going on between this point right here and this point right here, you can clearly see that the market is going where? The market is trending downward. Now, this red line here is called a resistance line. That means the market has tapped out at this point right here. And it didn't go any further than that point. This line here and this line right here are called your support zones, right? This is where the buyers are sitting at. This is where the market started to trend in the upward motion. Case in point, everything set on the support line here and then it started to rally up, and we've been at a consistent rally up since then. We can tell because this blue line here is our trend line. This purple line right here is also another line of resistance, and we've been above the resistance line. Right now, we're starting to trend downward, heading back towards the bottom of this resistance, which means that the market is getting ready to go even shorter. So the way you would play this play right here is you would actually get into this play on a short. You would short the market. You would bet against the market, and you will see that the market is actually trending downward. That's how you would actually play this play. All right. So there are many different ways to find plays. Many different ways to find plays. One of my favorite ways to find plays is going to crypto screeners. All right. Going here. Now, this is something that most traders never look at. They don't even know it exists, really, honestly. Right. This is called the crypto pairs screeners screen. This shows you all of the SMAs and where the trajectory of the market is going. I'm putting y'all on game right now with this one. I'm really giving y'all a jewel with this one right now. Now, you got an SMA 20, SMA 50, SMA 200. Your SMA stands for a simple moving average. It shows you the simple moving average of the market. where the market is going. Now, your SMA 20 is for the right now motion. It's what's happening literally right now in the market. It's the fastest moving indicator. So it's showing you that right now in this space, Bitcoin is going here. All right. Or Ethereum is going here. XRP is going here because there are thousands of different plays. Your SMA 50 shows you the overview of the market. It shows you what's happening right now, what's happening in the very near future. Your SMA 200 shows you the longevity of the market, where the market is going on the long term. So down below this, you see SSS, strong sell. The S stands for a short order, meaning you're betting against the market. It's showing that it's at a strong sell right now, meaning Bitcoin is retracting back down. Remember, I just showed you on the charts. Right here that Bitcoin was retracting downward. Bitcoin was heading down for the short. And it shows up right here on your screeners that Bitcoin is shorting right now. So you want to look at your SMAs. Your ideal play looks like this: sell, 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 strong sell. Or it could look like a BBB, meaning buy, 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 meaning the market is going long. So you want to look at things of this nature. You want to look at charts like this to indicate where you should be putting your money, where you should be investing. All right. This is called crypto pairs screeners. It's literally showing you the direction of the market. All right. Everything in crypto futures is price action movement, price action flow. All right. This is how you can offset everything that's going on with the economy right now. Forget what's going on between China and the US with terror wars. Forget what's going on with the inflation rate. If you know how to print your own bag, which I'm literally showing you how to do it right now, you don't have to worry about the inflation rate. You don't have to worry about losing your job because we're teaching people. We've been teaching people, and I've been teaching this for over 8 years now. I've been doing this, investing in general. Been a full-time investor for 15 years. I'm literally showing people how you can offset everything and start accumulating wealth for yourself. There's nothing more empowering than to be able to sit down at a computer like this and say, I'm going to make X amount of money consistently. The way you build wealth in this market is having consistency. Consistency. Do you think I want to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning? No, hell no. I want to lay in my bed. I want to play my PS5. I want to watch some movies. Right? I want to go out and drink sometimes. But no, discipline and consistency makes me and forces me to get my ass up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't even need an alarm clock at this point. I just get my ass up at 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm on here and I'm already up almost $8,000 for today. And it's not even 7 o'clock yet. So this is the lifestyle of a trader. It's not going into a broker firm. It's not going on Wall Street. Most traders do most of their trading from their beds. Most traders are sitting on a desk like this in a robe. Most traders are on vacation because they can do everything from their phone. This is a lifestyle. And yes, everyone can do it. My youngest trader right now is 11 years old. 11 years old. 11 years old. And yes, this trader makes over $3,000 a month. He's 11. $3,000 a month. He uses his allowance to flip in the markets. I have no doubt by the time he's 16, he'll be a millionaire. My oldest trader right now is 87 years old. If an 11-year-old and an 87-year-old can do this, you can do it. You can do it. I've already helped retire 160 plus people. We've already created 72 millionaires at this point. We already took over 300 people from living paycheck to paycheck, meaning they were absolutely broke, but they sacrificed and they hustled to get to the point they are right now. Over 300 people went from living paycheck to paycheck to having at least 6 figures in their portfolio. And they're doing it because they bet on themselves and they learn how to use consistency and they learn how to be disciplined. Discipline. That's what gets you into the game. Discipline is what keeps you in the game. Discipline is what gets you to the point to where you can retire yourself from your own job. This is the road to 6 figures, people. The road to 6 figures. I want to get up early and show y'all what we do. This is what I do. every morning. It doesn't matter if I go to sleep at 1 a.m. in the morning, I'm up at 3 o'clock. I'm up at 4 o'clock and I'm trading. Up at 3 o'clock, up at 4 o'clock, and I'm trading. I was listening to Warren Buffett. He said no matter what he's doing, where he is in the world, he's up at 6 o'clock and he's reading 6 hours a day. He's charting 6 hours a day. And that's Warren. Warren Buffett is worth over $100 billion. If Warren Buffett can do it, so could you. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to get into this game. I'm literally showing you the game. Every single day, I'm posting, showing you the game. But you have to be ready to be consistent, and you have to be ready to have discipline. All right, we got the Road to Six Figures coming up. We got the Road to Six Figures course coming up. I know a lot of people don't want to go all the way into the 6-week course, right? So I found a way to constrict the 6-week course into a 3-day course, a weekend extravaganza, meaning we're going to dive in directly for the weekend. 3 hours a day, 3 hours a day, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You're going to learn how to take that mentality, take that 9-to-5 mentality and flip that mentality into becoming a full-time investor, a 6-figure earning investor. That's starting next month. I still have a few slots available for the futures course that starts next Saturday. The 6-week futures course that starts next Saturday. Hit me up. Let me know. I have 9 slots available for one-on-one coaching because I'm getting ready to stop teaching this completely. I'm getting ready to start teaching conferences. So if you want me to teach you one-on-one, now it's time to hit me up because I only have 9 slots available. Once those 9 slots are gone, I'm completely closing that course out for the entire rest of the year. We're going to nothing but group courses. So hit me up. We got slots available. Don't hesitate because this opportunity is going to pass you completely by. But let me get back to doing what I'm doing. Let me get back to making this money. Like I said, I'm up $9,000 now. $9,000 since 3 o'clock this morning. Can't beat that with a stick. Let's get it, team. Remember, yesterday I turned $363 into $11,000. Just testing myself. I had a student challenge me yesterday and say, hey, man, listen, how much can you turn $360 into? I said, okay, cool. Bet. I take the challenge. $360 turned into $11,000. $11,676 to be exact. That's how you make money in this market. And there's no market that's more lucrative than crypto futures. I don't care whether it's stock options. I don't care whether it's Forex. I don't care what you're doing. There's no market that can get you the high profitable gains as crypto futures. I posted 50 plus plays yesterday. I'm going to post them again today as well, too. 50 plus plays I got in between 3 a.m. and 9 a.m. 50 plays. There's no other market you can do that in. With a play called Fuel, I went up 123% in 5 seconds. Multiple times. Over 100% gains in 5 seconds. This is crypto futures. All right, let me jump back and get back into the money. Peace. Hit me up. Slots available. Peace.